Exercise 9. Write a program that asks the user to enter two numbers. If both numbers are greater than 10, the program should print both numbers are greater than 10. Otherwise, it should print at least one number is not greater than 10. Okay, let's copy this text to make things easier. Okay, so as usual, we ask the user for the numbers. Int input, and as always we use a prompt. Please enter the first number. Let's copy this. Change this to second number. Please enter the second number. Then check. This exercise is for using multiple conditions in an if statement. So if first num is greater than 10, and not or. If first num is greater than 10 and sec num is greater than 10, then we could print here immediately. Well, let's do what we've been doing all along. Message equals both numbers are greater than 10. Else, otherwise means else. You can copy this. At least one number is not greater than 10. So as always, we test it. Enter first number 58, enter second number 5. Oops, sorry, forgot to print the message. Let's try that again. Run, enter first number 47, enter second number 5. At least one number is not greater. Let's try it again. Enter one number 87, enter another number 24. Both numbers are greater than 10. Okay, now for your own exercise, change this to or and try with different numbers and see what happens. Okay, and or, you should have that clear if you're using either of them in your if statements. Alright, see you in the next exercise.